Diarrhea in cats. Causes, symptoms, 3 effective ways to treat it. Cats mask their illness brilliantly, so if you are a cat adopter, you have to pay attention to any signs that may indicate your cat's disease, including their daily rhythm in motion and play, their energy level, their interest in eating and drinking, as well as the shape of their poo. If your cat suffers from diarrhea, you should watch the video to learn about the causes, symptoms, and methods of treating diarrhea in cats. What is diarrhea in cats? Diarrhea in cats is a loose stool with increased quantity and repetition, caused by a rapid bowel movement and lower water absorption, nutrients, and electrolytes. Diarrhea in cats is not a disease per se, but a symptom of many diseases. It can be harmless and, in some cases, deadly. Untreated diarrhea may produce deadly complications for kittens, older cats, chronically ill cats, and pregnant cats. If your cat's diarrhea doesn't improve untreated within 24 hours, take it to the veterinary clinic. Symptoms of diarrhea in cats. Cats often poke in their waste box and cover their poo, or may poke in the garden outside, making it difficult for adopters to detect diarrhea. But among the indicators and symptoms of diarrhea in cats may be black stool, tar, liquid, stool with a very bad smell, poo 2 to 3 times daily, smear the fur around the back end with the stool. Causes of diarrhea in cats. In order to learn about methods of treating diarrhea in cats, it is necessary to begin to identify its causes. Diarrhea may be as acute or chronic as its color and texture may vary depending on the cause. Here are the causes of diarrhea in cats. 1. Acute diarrhea. Acute diarrhea in cats occurs abruptly and does not last long. There are 6 causes of acute diarrhea: parasitic, bacterial, fungal, or viral infection. Infections. Metabolic or endocrine problems. Poisoning. New foods on the cat, whether canned or dry. 2. Chronic diarrhea. Chronic diarrhea in cats lasts 2 to 3 weeks or more. Causes of chronic diarrhea include resistance to infection, chronic inflammation, metabolic diseases such as diabetes, endocrinology, congenital diseases, and cancer. Chronic diarrhea is often long-term and resistant to treatment, and therefore is of particular concern and may cause life-threatening complications. 3. Red or bloody diarrhea. If your cat suffers from bloody diarrhea, this is worrying and should be treated as quickly as possible by the vet. It may be a sign of your cat's upper digestive tract bleeding. Mucus stool also refers to dehydration or parasitic infection. 4. Yellow or green diarrhea. The color of the stool is sometimes associated with what your cat is eating. The grass may make it green, but green stool can indicate that your cat has gallbladder disease. Yellow stool is an emergency and a sign of your cat's liver disease or kidney failure, bacterial pathogen growth, immunodegradation anemia, or zinc poisoning. Complications. Among the possible complications of diarrhea in cats are dehydration of your cat, deterioration of her physical condition, accumulation of fluid in the abdomen, and the likelihood of bowel cancer. Treatment of diarrhea in cats. Treatment of diarrhea in cats varies depending on the cat's age and general health. If the cat is adult and healthy, the vet will advise you to stop the food for 24 hours or feed it a few amounts of light and easy digesting eating. Other treatment options available include the following. Treatment of cat diarrhea with medicines. Treatment of cat diarrhea varies according to the underlying cause of diarrhea, and veterinary drugs may be prescribed for anti-diarrhea, anti-worm, and probiotics in some cases. Metronidazole and tylosin are antidiarrheals that reduce intestinal inflammation. Cat diarrhea treatment at home. Treating diarrhea in cats at home through food management and metronidazole may help with clear clinical improvement. Fluid therapy is also recommended to avoid dehydration and correct electrolytes such as sodium, potassium, chloride, and basal acid imbalance. Another form of diarrhea treatment in cats also involves a proper diet, including a low-fat diet or a high-fiber diet. And that's for 3 to 4 weeks. Treatment of cat diarrhea with surgery. In some chronic cases of diarrhea, surgery is the safest solution, given the appearance of diarrhea as a symptom of another underlying disease. Surgical methods include biopsy of the stomach, small intestine, and large intestine. Exploratory abdominal surgery, surgical biopsy. When to visit a doctor. Not all types of diarrhea that may appear in your cat need to visit your vet, but if her condition does not improve within 24 hours without treatment, you should consult your doctor to prescribe a diet or appropriate medication. Finally, after watching the video, share it with your friends' cat adopters. Share your approved ways to help your cat heal from diarrhea.
Thanks for watching. If you like our video, please subscribe, like, and share.